Using a blade, cut approximately 20 grams of fresh leaves. We are using cekor manis to demonstrate the cutting process. The cut leaves are collected into a beaker as shown and labelled. Transfer the fresh leaf from the beaker into the mortar. Using the pestle, grind the leaves. Add 5 ml of acetone gradually into your grind leaves. Now leave them for 10 minutes. Grind again and add another 5 ml of acetone. Using a spatula, transfer the grinded leaf onto the muslin cloth. Using muslin cloth, filter the extraction. To ensure more extraction are out, you can use your hand to press on the muslin cloth. Transfer some of the chlorophyll extract from the beaker into the petri dish. Using the tip of the dissecting pin, place a drop of the chlorophyll extract onto the chromatography paper. Using hairdryer, let the drop dry completely. While handling the chromatography paper, use forceps. Repeat the process more than 15 times to build up a small area of concentrated pigment. Make sure to place the drops on the same spot every time. Before beginning the experiment, make sure to label using pencil 1 cm from top on the chromatography paper. Transfer 5 ml of solvent into the boiling tube. Attach the paper strips to a stopper with a pin. Suspend the strip straight into the boiling tube that contains the 5 ml solvent. The bottom of the paper should be dipped into the solvent, but make sure that the pigment spot is not immersed in the solvent. Place the chromatography paper strips vertically in the tube rack. Let the solvent rise until its front reaches 1 cm from the top of the strip. Once the solvent front reaches 1 cm from the top of the strip, remove the chromatography paper strip from the boiling tube. Mark the solvent front with pencil. Mark the pigmented area. Each color on the chromatography paper is to represent different chlorophyll pigment. Yellow-green represent chlorophyll B, blue-green chlorophyll A, yellow xanthophyll, grey phaeophytin, and orange for carotene. Next, calculate the RF value for each pigment using the following formula. RF is equal to distance moved by the pigment from the origin over distance moved by the solvent from the origin. To demonstrate the RF value calculation, we are going to use chlorophyll B as an example. First, measure the distance moved by the pigment from the origin. Label on the paper. Next, measure the distance moved by the solvent from the origin. And label. Finally, record your results in the table 11.1. So, the observed RF value for chlorophyll B is equal to 3 cm over 9.5 cm, which is equal to 0.316. Repeat the calculation for the rest of the photosynthetic pigments.